In this video, we'll discuss the basics of tax incremental financing. First, what is tax incremental financing? Tax incremental financing, or TIF, is an economic development tool for municipalities, cities, villages, and towns. Using TIF, municipalities can expand their tax base by encouraging development that wouldn't otherwise occur. A Tax Incremental District, or TID, is the place or area within the municipality that needs development. The TID must be whole parcels that are geographically connected. Using TIF, municipalities can expand their property tax base through development that increases property values. First, the municipality identifies an area for development. This is the TID. The municipality funds the necessary infrastructure and other projects to attract private development. Then, as property values increase, the municipality uses the taxes on that increase to pay the project costs. A key requirement for TIF is that the municipality cannot use public funds for development unless it believes the project would not proceed without using TIF. When a municipality creates a TID, the municipality and other taxing jurisdictions agree to forego collecting taxes on the value growth on the property in the TID. The municipality uses the taxes on the change in property value to pay eligible TID project costs. The taxing jurisdictions must agree to give up some tax revenue in the short term to generate an increase in the property tax base in the long term. When the costs are paid and the TID closes, the increased property tax base benefits all taxing jurisdictions. Here are some important terms to understand. TID base value is the total value of all real and personal property in the TID as of January 1st of the creation year. TID current year value is the total value of all real and personal property in the TID as of January 1st of the current year. TID increment value is the difference between the current value and the base value. Tax increment is the tax revenue collected on the value increment. The municipality must use this money to pay the project costs. If the current TID value is less than the TID's base value, there's no value increment. The municipality receives no money to pay the project costs and must cover costs from its general fund. This chart represents property values during a TID's life. When a municipality creates a TID, the base value of all taxable property within the defined boundary is established. The county, school, technical college, and municipality are the overlying taxing jurisdictions for the property in the TID. Each taxing jurisdiction collects taxes on the TID base value. After the TID is created, each continues to receive the tax revenue on the TID base value. Any new construction or investment in the TID increases the value. The property value growth is the value increment. The municipality collects the taxes on the growth in the property value as tax increment revenue and can only use the tax increment revenue to pay for approved projects in the TID. When the municipality terminates the TID, the taxing jurisdictions collect taxes on the entire value of the TID property. The column on the right represents the increased property value subject to taxes. While the TID exists, tax revenue for each jurisdiction is limited to the base value of the TID. After terminating the TID, all overlying jurisdictions share the increased tax base, and tax rates can be lowered to generate the same amount of revenue. Without the development encouraged by TIF, only the base value would be available for the jurisdictions to tax. Partnering to facilitate development helps all the taxing jurisdictions increase their tax base. Note that if the TID property value does not increase as expected, the municipality may not receive enough tax increment to pay its expenditures. In this case, when the TID terminates, the municipality is responsible for the unpaid debts. Visit our website for more information or contact us at tiff@wisconsin.gov.